Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video where today I'm here again. Now I know the fidget spinner trend is all like it's gone, but I still like them, and you probably think I'm a loser or something like that. But I actually got a few on the Christmas market the other week, and the ones which I got I'm going to be showing you. One sec guys, let me just go and get the door. And the first one, you'll probably just go wow, because you've probably already got it, but is that one. You could also do that, and you can spin this. So it's basically a double fidget spinner, because you can hold this, the fidget spinner. What? Where?
Oh no, blue one.
Blue one?
That was a nice picture. Someone I know is just going to Barbados today. 33
Anyway,
degrees.
yeah, it's basically
I wish
just
they could do
a double fidget spinner, because you can do that and play with it, and then do that.
Anyway, it's warm, isn't it?
And yeah, that fidget spinner is pretty cool. Now everyone would have got this from what I have. And here it is, everyone, you'll all have it, but that's a new one to my collection as well, multicoloured one. Look, cool, it's see-through. Look, you can see me. And yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.